Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zcash. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Zcash has recently broken out a quite big falling wedge pattern on a 7 days time frame chart, and this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line got rejected by this next long-term resistance of $32.50 that had been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here, and before that, it has been breaking as a very nice support. And now the price line is retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And at the same time, it is also testing this quite long-term support of EMA 21 as well. That was previously breaking as a very long-term resistance. You can see we got several ejections. And now it is retesting this level as a support. At the moment, the price line is moved slightly down than these two supports, the EMA 21 and this previous resistance of the channel that can now break as a support. However, these two resistance levels are quite long-term, therefore we need to watch out for the weekly closing. If the candlestick will be closed below these supports, then there will be a quite high probability that the price line will be re-enter the same falling wedge pattern, and it may test this quite long-term support of $18.50 that had been previously breaking as a support here, and it can also test this downtrend line support that Zcash found before breaking out this big falling wedge pattern. And at the same time, you can see that Zcash was trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Previously, we got rejection here and here and here as well. And right now, you can see that after getting rejected by this resistance of bearish cloud, the price line is again dropped down at this previous resistance of the channel that can now work as support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Synapse, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 2nd of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Zcash. And you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of March 2021, when we found the support of this falling wedge pattern here, it was moving inside this wedge and we got several ejections by the resistance and several touch points and bounces from the support as well. And from here, from the month of May 2023, we can see it found another downtrend line support. Therefore, it was again and again getting bounced from this support and not testing the support of this bigger falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this support and resistance of the channel, resistance of this wedge, finally the price line has broken out resistance of the wedge, and it has also broken out this quite long-term resistance of EMA 21, the 21 exponential moving average that was previously breaking as a resistance. And now you can see that it is retesting the previous resistance of EMA 21 and this resistance of wedge as a support. And now we need to watch out for weekly candlestick closing. If we will have a closing above these two resistance levels, then there will be a probability that after this retest, the price line may start the next move to the outside, and then it may also try to break out the next resistance levels as well. The next imminent resistance is here at $32.50, and you can see that after breaking out this wedge, the price line got rejected by this resistance, and there will be other resistance, a quite huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well, that has been breaking as a very strong resistance since after the month of November 2021. You can see we got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and now the price line is again rejected by this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance. But once it will be able to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance, then it will be flipped into a very, very long-term support for the price line. Like at this time, it is working as a very long-term resistance, but after the breakout, it will be flipped into a strong support. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this wedge pattern, that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $380 to $400. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.